Welcome to this MindMapper tutorial from Biggerplate.com. In this video, we're going to look at the tags function within MindMapper and how you can use it to ensure your planning maps are fully clear and easily searchable for the information you need. So let's take a look. To illustrate how the tags might be used in a real-world scenario, let's use one of the ready-made MindMap templates that exists within the software, which is for a project schedule task. So let's imagine we're working with our project team and we've built out this map of all the different things that need to be done. And perhaps now what we might want to start doing is tagging the mind map with who is going to own which particular sections of the plan. So let's come up here into the main menu, and if we go home to then tool, the third option along, and then slide along here to tags, we can pop open this tags area, and the first thing we need to do is define the categories that we're going to have tags within. So at the moment we've just got this bucket called general tags and no tags within it. So let's do a couple of things. Firstly, let's rename that to be our people category, and then let's actually add some tags in here under the people category. So let's add a Liam, and let's add a Graham, and let's add a Julie as an example. So we've now got 3 tags, Liam, Graham, Julie, that we can start to assign to particular topics in the mind map. So if we just close that down for a second, what we now would start to do as a project team is look at these different sections of the mind map and say, well, who's going to own which particular parts of this project? So maybe the specification task, we're going to open up that tags again, and you'll see we've got the assign option here to say, let's assign Liam to that particular task or that particular section. Similarly, when we get to simulation, we might say that's a Graham task, such as this. We might select multiple sections that we know are for one person, so we've used Control Select there. Open up the tags again and maybe assign all 3 of those to Julie. And now we've started within our mind map to just give ourselves really clear visual signals, which are going to be very helpful when we do our sort of project review meetings, or as we're building our planning sections of who's going to handle which areas, to give ourselves really quick visibility using the tags of what's what. It's worth mentioning that once you've used the tags in this way, you can also then leverage that filtering function that we looked at in a different video. For example, to say view, use the filter and say you'd like to view only things that have been tagged with the Liam tag. And that's just going to reduce that whole project planning mind map just down to the topics where your name on it or a member of your team's name is on it. So really quickly enabling you to focus in on a particular area of the mind map or specific areas of the mind map based on how you've assigned the tags. So that's it for this video. A very quick look at the tagging function, a fantastic way of marking up your mind map and giving yourself lots of extra little signals and helping hands when you're trying to manage complex project planning or manage information. To find more resources to help you go further with mind mapping, please visit biggerplate.com.